Happy 2010. This is Derek Fleming, and welcome to Fleming TV. On today's show, we're going to be talking about all those things in 2009 that captured your attention. The Tiger Woods scandal. How does a superstar, billionaire athlete like Tiger Woods fall from grace? Now he's being deemed maybe, I don't know, the biggest cheater in America. Why do we as Americans love scandal? It's like the dirtier the story, the more we want to tune in. So that's what we're going to be talking about on this edition of Fleming TV. We're going to be talking about Tiger Woods. I think it was yesterday, a major sponsor, AT&T, drops him. What do you feel about that? Why does this man's personal life, the fact that he committed infidelity, he cheated on his wife numerous times, should that affect his personal career? The fact that he's probably one of the greatest golfers of our time? We're going to be talking about the Tiger Woods story. Also, some important things that happened in 2009 that probably changed the face of history. Michael Jackson's death. A musical icon, a legend, probably the greatest performer of our time. He passed away in 2009. What did that mean to you? What was your favorite Michael Jackson song? I remember growing up in South Carolina, every kid on the block wanted a Michael Jackson jacket with the zippers, or maybe the glove. We all idolized Michael Jackson. He truly was the king of pop. His death leaves a hole in music. He contributed some of the best songs that will ever be heard in American history. Beat It, Billie Jean. Wow, what a great man. But along with his great legacy goes a little bit of scandal. He was accused of child molestation. How do you feel about that? We're going to be talking about that on Fleming TV. Also, the South Carolina governor that cheated on his wife. How do you feel about Mark Sanford and the fact that his wife did eventually leave? You see, on Fleming TV, we're going to do what a lot of maybe mainstream shows won't do. We're going to talk about everything, and we're going to give you, the viewer, a chance to voice your opinion on what you think. All we ask is that you be tactful and respectful, but we want to hear what you really got to say. What's on your mind, America? The economy. What's going on with that? President Obama, what kind of job is he doing in the White House? His approval ratings have definitely dropped. The health care bill. We're going to talk about all these things on Fleming TV. So America, this is my promotional video for Fleming TV. I'm Derek Fleming, author, writer, motivational speaker, and more than that, America, I'm an American.